What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you, haters, away. I see you, haters, I'm getting away.
What's going on, guys? How you doing? Me? Chilling. You already know. All right. So I'm here again to bring you something dope. You know what I'm saying? Another dope video, yo. You know what I'm saying? This one is another one brought to you by the homie Brannon King. You know what I'm saying? He done sent something over for your boy. Ooh. Yeah, I'm excited. Yo, I'm super excited for this one, yo. You don't even understand. Like, I'm tired of driving around like, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, you gotta get an exhaust. When you gotta get an exhaust? I'm like, yo, come on, you know what I'm saying? I'm making excuses and shit, like, yo, I got a YouTube channel and they ain't gonna be able to hear me over the exhaust and shit, when there's plenty of Ryker riders out there with exhaust. You know what I'm saying? So, if you ain't figured it out by now, you should already know, yo, my man Brannon King, you know what I'm saying? Sent over the exhaust. You know what I'm saying? Woo-woo. Chromed out. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a fan of chrome, but this one's nice. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this exhaust on, but what I'm not going to do is show you how to put it on. Because there's a bunch of videos out there how to put it on. And you know what I'm saying? I don't need all the views, I need some of the views. So y'all can go, stop, pause this video here, go run over there, check out how to install it, you know what I'm saying? Actually, I think Ryker Rides, shout out Ryker Rides, I think she put one of these exhausts in from Brannon King. So, you know what I'm saying? Check out her video. You know what I'm saying? I think she showed you how to do this. That's her thing, installs. So what I'm gonna do is show you how my Ryker sounds right now. You know what I'm saying? What I got on my Ryker for up mods, nothing. I got a modded intake. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got an intake, cold air intake put on there, but I cut my intake to get more air in there. You know what I'm saying? You hear the sound, you feel the pull, do it. So let me give y'all a little sound real quick. This is what my sound right now. Actually, let me give y'all this right here. I'm gonna jack it up a little bit so I can give you a little rev, you know what I'm saying? Because people do sound clips, you really can't hear it with their little. As loud as it goes. Alright, so I can't like just keep it going because I think there's like something with the front wheels not going. It's not giving me power to let it go. So, cause maybe like some traction control thing. Alright, so you heard what my bike sounds like right now. Now this is what it sounds like right now. Alright guys. So we got it all installed, you know what I'm saying? It's looking good, it's looking good. Shit sounds mean. I'm talking about it's looking good. So look at that. Woo! Woo! Yo. Look at this right here. This right here is heavy. Everybody already heard it. I heard it in mad videos, but ain't no lie. This shit is heavy. That shit is heavy. That's solid. I'm gonna actually call the local cat dude to see if I can get some money off that. Because actually, I'm gonna put that bitch back on. This shit is loud. Yeah. Yo, shout out Brannon King with the exhaust. Y'all need the exhaust? You want to be, if you like one of them people that's like louder pipes, so you be seen, kind of stuff, this is for you. Because
Yeah.
All right, guys. I just did that in the rain. It's a little cold out. It's like 40 degrees out. I was bugging, but all for you. What do you think about the Brannon King Exhaust? I gotta take it for a ride and see what I think about it. You know what I'm saying? Right now, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. It's loud. You know what I'm saying? Louder is better. It sounds good in the rain. Burning out and shit. It sounded good as fuck. That's what I'm gonna say. Like, I really want to go for a ride right now. That shit sounded pretty fucking good. I'm not gonna lie. It sounded good, but I'm gonna check you guys in the next one. You know what I want you to do? If you like this video, if you like the Brannon King Exhaust, comment, like, subscribe, share. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.